Welcome to another edition of Birdview Tutorials. In this video, we'll demonstrate the front and backloading functionality with our resource workload feature. Let's start on the resource loading report page. To access the hours distribution control, simply select the specific task that you want to modify. In this example, we're focusing on front loading and backloading. Here, we have a scenario where we would like to assign one resource in the first half of the week and the second resource in the second half of the week. With just 2 simple clicks, we can fix this by selecting Frontload for the first user and Backload for the second user. Now, you'll see that the maximum allocation of hours is shifted to the end of the task for the second user and to the start of the task for the first user. If you need to manually distribute hours, click the Distribution Hours control. Set the scheduled hours to 0, and the system will alert you on the number of hours you need to distribute across the task. From here, you can select each cell and allocate hours for each day of the week, ensuring that all hours are properly distributed. The personal schedule hours defined in the user profile will also have a direct impact on the resource loading report. For example, if a user is not available to work on certain days, you'll see a warning in the report that this resource is overallocated. We hope you'll make the most of these new features. Feel free to send your suggestions and feedback to success@birdviewpsa.com. Thank you for watching.